Hi friends, this video I have created because I got stuck with Chrome drivers. Actually, it was a web scrapping task, and I took this task because I was just curious to do some web scrapping work, and one of my client wanted me to go to homecare.co.uk and retrieve this data from this particular website, like the name, home care name, website, phone number, full address, company details, person in charge title, city, country. However, when I run this program, I often get this error: path invalid, C user Jupyter Chrome. Now this is where Selenium. What is Selenium? Selenium is a library which helps in automatic tasks, and this particular library helps in like opening and closing the browser on the background, or not even on the background, and also help in automating tasks like clicking a button, filling a form, like just we human go to the browser and fill some forms. Similarly, the Selenium do the same job, and it's all automatic and automatically done, and it can also help in extracting data. So this is why for web scrapping, Selenium is a very good library. However, anybody can get stuck with this driver path because it requires the browser's drivers to perform these actions, okay, which it will be doing automatically. And what happens is, if you give the wrong path, or if the version is wrong, or not updated, then your coding may not work. Web tracking may not happen. It may only give you suppose the field names, but will not retrieve data. So I did some research, and fortunately I found that particular way of looking where exactly the location of your Chrome driver is. So this is the code which you can write along with the code which you are doing. And from here you can see this is Chrome driver location is just a variable, and this is the code, and then you can print that variable and you will find your driver is located here. Now in my case, my location for that particular driver was not right uh, earlier when I was writing the program. Now I have fixed it. So this was an incorrect location. So if we go to the location where my driver is, okay, so you can go to the location. You can go open run and just write this particular path which you get and see if your driver is there. And if you look at this 131.0.6778.204 is the version of your Chrome driver. And if you go to the Chrome browser and check, okay, you will find, okay, if I go there, I will find that my version is 131.0.6778.205, and instead of 204. So it not only the path was incorrect, but it also required the version to be updated. Now if you don't know where to find Chrome driver, you simply have to go to Google, and in Google just type Selenium, and usually the first or the second website will give you selenium.dev. You can go there, and when you click on this, you may find downloads. Click on downloads, and you have to go scroll a little down to find browsers. This is the browser. You can expand it. Now you see all the Firefox, you have Gecko driver, Internet has its own, Internet Explorer has its own way, but we are interested in Chrome right now. So click on documentation, and from here you can click on get started with Chrome driver, and download the Chrome driver binary. And here you have different versions of Chrome for different platforms. I'm interested is Windows 64, so I copy this and I paste it, and it is a zip file, so it's installing here. It will take few minutes to install it, and then it can make your day of fixing errors with Selenium, issues with Selenium. I hope this video was informative, and thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.